Hello everyone, welcome to quick Microsoft Word tutorials. In this video, we are going to see that how can we replace a text in Microsoft Word. Suppose you are in a situation where you have prepared your whole document and you have realized later on that you have made multiple spelling mistakes. So what do you want to do? Either you want to go to all the instances where you have made the spelling mistake manually and correct it, or you can simply use the replace feature of Microsoft Word. So the replace feature using is pretty simple. Let's see how do we do that. So first of all, what we need to do is go to the home tab. In the home tab, there is this editing group on the far right corner, and in this editing group there is this replace option. If you click on this replace option, you would get this kind of a dialog box. Now this dialog box provides you three features: the find feature that we saw in the previous video, which helps you to find a particular word; then the replace feature, which first uses to find the word and then replace it with an alternative word; and then the go to feature, where you can just go to any particular section, to any particular page, or to any particular line. Okay, so we are just going to go with the replace feature. What I'm going to do is replace this word lorem with a different version like low ram. So basically I want to replace the E with an A. So what I can do is I can click on find next. So what would happen is it would just highlight the instances where this word is occurring. If I click on replace, then the first instance or the instance that is particularly being highlighted would be replaced, and this kind of a dialog box would appear. We are finished searching the document. But since there are multiple instances and we want to replace all the instances in one go, so what we can do is use this option, that is this replace all option. If you just click on this, so Word will tell you that all done and how many replacements it made. It made a total of 11 replacements, right? So we can click on OK, and you can just cross check it. How do you cross check it? Go to find, make sure the word is lorem, that is the previous word that you had actually replaced, and click on find next. So you would get no results found, which means all the instances have been replaced. So that's how the replacing the word works in a Word document. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.